at the end of a story, at the beginning of a new story. Don't give up, do not be discouraged. As long as you can breathe, everything can start again. The past is gone. If you regret the thing you do in the past, there's also nothing that you can change. Do not be ashamed, face the reality, then continue walking. Today your tears have washed your eyes, you can see the reality clearer than before, you understand people better than before, you have more experience than before. Our life always have problems, we can escape from it all, we can do is to solve it. When you finish solving, then continue walking, and don't think about the next problem too much, because it didn't arrive yet.